Mr. Speaker, it is important that I make special mention of Ghana's relationship with the People's Republic of China, which has grown exponentially over the past few years. The dramatic economic transformation of China in the past 2 decades is a marvel to the world and a lesson for the rest of us in the developing world. We've entered into various agreements with China, the lead one obviously being the Sino-Hydro Agreement, which seeks to deliver many infrastructural projects. Mr. Speaker, today, China is unfortunately battling an outbreak of the deadly COVID-19 virus. We sympathize with the people of China at this time of great trouble. I have written to President Xi Jinping to convey to the government and the people of China the solidarity and sympathy of the compassionate people of Ghana. We trust that with the tough decisions being implemented to curb the spread of the virus, this nightmare will be over, and soon they will recover from its devastating social and economic impact. There is a sizable Ghanaian community in China, and our government through our embassy has been working with the Chinese authorities to find the best way to deal with this situation. The Ghanaian community includes 4,760 students, out of which 300 students are studying in Hubei province and 200 in the city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. We have a delicate situation on our hands, Mr. Speaker, and it does not benefit anybody to try to score points by introducing ill-judged politics into this ongoing medical conundrum and humanitarian tragedy. Most of these students are on Chinese government scholarships, and since the crisis started, the Chinese government has done its best to keep them supplied with food and other logistics. The Ghana government, through its mission, also supplies logistics, and the embassy has given, so far, 500 United States dollars to each student. However, we know that no amount of logistics will make up for the extreme stress and trauma that these young people are going through, and I treat members of this honorable House to set an example by helping to pour oil over troubled waters instead of instigating tension and spreading fear and panic among the young people. The government is in constant touch with experts on the subject, who advise that the basic principle of public health is to confine the disease to the area of its origin. But we have not ruled out the option of evacuating the students from Wuhan if that becomes necessary. We have put in place measures to ensure that their evacuation back into Ghana, if it happens, does not lead to the dissemination of fear and panic amongst the general population.